Hey guys, Chikorita Lover here, back with another video. And today we're going to make an avatar that looks similar to mine. So, here's my pixel character. And we're going to customize it for you. I'll tell you how to. So, let's say I want to make Ash. I don't know. Let's just say I want to make Ash for some stupid reason. Let's take... By the way, this is in paint.net. So, yeah. It's free, which is nice. I have a link for downloading it in the description below. Make sure to download it. You cannot get it on Chromebook, so that's why I'm back on the old Windows XP. Okay, my Ash looks terrible. Oh boy, this is bad. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do Ash. I'll just say I want to do some random person. So let's say, favorite colors, maybe blue. Like maybe this kind of blue. That's a popular color. Blue, turquoise. So let's say this is their favorite color. I'm gonna fill in their shirt. You would need 3 different favorite colors. Just think of your top 3 favorite colors. We're gonna use them. Then we're gonna need a darker version. By the way, that's a custom palette. I have a link for downloading it in the description below also. Make sure to check it out if you want to use it. It's called my Pokemon Heart Gold and Soul Silver palette. So I took the colors off of sprites from Gold and Silver. Heart Gold, Soul Silver. So, their hobby isn't really Pokemon who can move Pokeball. Maybe it's sports. Let's say sports. It's a popular hobby. I could probably draw a better football, don't you think? Yeah, I definitely can. Okay, that's better. Use white there. Okay. Do you think I need a picture of what football looks like? Yes, I do. I'm sorry, but I do. I am very sorry. Okay. Just wait for Chrome to load. Man. This is a really nice setup. So I took my camera and like stacked some stuff under it and then turned the screen and then yeah. And then of course I cropped it. Gosh. Okay, so search for footballs. And I felt cool. Football. Okay, that looks... Okay, I got it. Don't worry, I got it this time. Okay. Then how about I be like... Yeah. That looks good. That's a football. That's what you call a football. Okay. Then let's see. They should be holding a baseball, of course. Let's give them a baseball. Their baseball. Let's see. Now let me guess, they're gonna be more buffed, so yeah, they definitely are. So let's adjust like the arms. Who? Maybe that's too buff. Yeah, that looks better. Oh wait, they need... I'm not that much buff. I don't really do sports. Sorry to you sports guys. Let's say they have blonde hair. Sure. Make it more natural. How would I do that? Yeah, how would I make it more natural? Making it darker. What do you think? Like that. Okay. So yeah, they have blonde hair. Okay. So yeah, then let's say their other favorite colors like dark green. Oh wait, how about dark red? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it's looking good. Also, I have like a base shape for the pixel character inscription below also. And then for shoes, you're not really gonna see them in the avatar, so I don't want to change those. Okay, eyes, let's say they have blue eyes. It's a common eye color, isn't it? Yep. Okay. But, oh, look at me do. Okay, that looks good. What do you think of our sports guy? Look good? Okay, good. So how about when you're done, you save it as like pixel sports guy or whatever. Yeah, okay. So now, what we are going to do is make another layer. We're going to put behind. Because camera size, oh, let's see. What should it be? 100. Let's start out with 100 by 100. We'll change it later. We are just do 100 by 100. What the? Oh, okay. I see. No, I just want that color. Oh crap. Yeah, delete and I'll add that back. Yeah, I'm gonna add that back. Okay, that's better. Now, this layer, we're going to take our paint bucket. Now choose, for the primary color, choose one of these, and then for secondary, choose this one, on the one on the fourth row. So like, let's say they also like, oh wait, we already had red. How about they like green? Yeah. Okay. So then we're going to take paint bucket and then fill. We're gonna change it so like there's stars, %60. Then just click, boom. Or you can do right click, you choose. Okay. Now once again, we're gonna resize this baby. This time 200 by 200. Oh boy. Yeah, we're gonna fix that, don't worry. So, how about I undo? There we go, this will work better. 200 by 200. There we go, that's better. Then we're gonna take thought I deleted that. No. It's not letting me delete. Just let me delete. It's not letting me. Why? Oh. Let's print this. Okay. Got it. That makes sense. That was confusing. Okay, so next we're going to take this. We're gonna put it like right here. Make sure it's just touching the edge, and then yeah. Then we're gonna select it again. Just do that. So it's like, and then we're gonna resize it to this 200, about 200, so it fits the entire screen. Okay. Now, of course, we're going to resize this right now. Let's zoom out a bit. And now, make sure it's saved as a separate file. And just like resize it. You might have to like stop and continue so it stays small. Okay, just a little bit here. Okay, that looks good. Can't really see the pants, I guess, but it looks good. Okay. Now we're going to we're going to duplicate that layer, put it behind it. And then we're going to make flood mode global. Click this background. Make sure you're on the duplicate. Then you're going to do Control I to invert. So we're selecting this guy. And then gonna make sure our primary color is black. Then hit backspace. I'll change it to black. You can't see it now because of the front layer, but if we remove that, boom. So yes. Then I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move it down 6 and to the right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh crap, what did I do? Okay. So it should say down here, selection top left, 6, 6. If it says that, then you're good. And finally, make the opacity 1. What did I do for that last one? Let me check. I have lots of files, I apologize. I do stuff, okay? Here we are. Okay, here's the paint on it. Look at the properties. Okay, 131. Make the opacity for the black layer 131. I'm gonna just type that. Click OK. We have finished it. Here's mine. You can see more of the body. You can do that if you want. Or you can do like mainly the face. Or yeah, you can choose. It's your avatar, so yeah. Now we're gonna save it twice. File, save as pixel your name as a paint.net, and also pixel your name as a JPG, or I'd recommend a PNG. They're better quality. So save it as a paint.net and a regular image file. Then you can upload it to like, oh, I don't know, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and use that for your avatar. And it looks pretty cool if you haven't seen it already. But here, let me zoom in to see the beauty. It's beautiful, isn't it? Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new content. Ring the notification bell, like the video, and comment if you really like this. And make sure to check the links in the description for what you're going to need to make this. And I will see you later. Peace.